Another day, another blank page. I just can't seem to write anything good for my blog.
I felt the same until I found Blogify AI. It's like a content wizard that turns any media into a polished blog post. Ever thought your podcast could be read by people in Italy or Japan? Blogify makes it happen. Not just translations, Jamie. You can choose from 8+ tones to match your style. Whether it's witty, formal, or casual, your blog will sound just right. From your YouTube videos to PDFs, even snapshots from your last trip. Blogify AI crafts SEO-optimized posts with the right meta tags and keywords. It's all about reaching your audience effectively.
This is incredible, Taylor. The dashboard is so user-friendly. I'm already full of ideas. It's like night and day. My draft versus what Blogify AI suggests, there's just no comparison.
And you're in good company. Many have turbocharged their blogging with Blogify AI. Just see what they're saying. Also, with YouTube Connect, you can sync your channel, bulk generate blogs, and even pinpoint sections of your videos to create targeted posts.
So, it's not just about blogs? I can really get creative with my content on all fronts. That's a game changer for me.
Absolutely. Why not start today? Head over to Blogify AI and let's get those stories out there. The world's waiting.
From global reach with 125+ languages to crafting the perfect story in any tone, Blogify AI is your all-in-one platform for unforgettable content creation. Blogify AI, empower your words, enhance your story, enrich your audience.